Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix ChatGPT file stream access denied. If you're using ChatGPT and you have an issue that your file stream access denied, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to check if you are having the same issue that there's in the photo. This is that the file stream access denied. So let's see how can you fix that issue. There are some more issues like that if you have the same issues, so you can get it in different interfaces. It might be in black window. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So now to fix that, you have to simply update your app. So open your app store and here go for search and search for ChatGPT. Once you have that, here you can see that there's an update available, so you must have to tap on update to update this application. Once the application has been updated, you can easily use that. But if you are still having the same issue, so you have to change between the app or the website. If you're using website, so you have to use application, or if you're using application, so you have to use website of ChatGPT. So you have to open up your browser and here simply search for ChatGPT and open up it. But if you are having the same issue on both sides, you have to check if ChatGPT is down or not. So now to check that, you have to open up your browser and here simply search for down detector website. Here you can see there's a link of downdetector.pk. Simply go ahead for that and here you have to go for search and search for ChatGPT. Or you can easily search for Google. Here you can see that there's no any problem and it is running well. So if your app is running well, so it might be that it is your connection problem, so you must have to check that. But if the app is not running well, so it might be that the issue of the application. So that's how you can easily fix if your chat GPT file stream access denied. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.